Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has enough charge and the screen is unlocked. This saves interruptions. Open the app or screen you need to capture and remove any overlays so the screenshot is clean. Once done, position content exactly how you want it visible because the capture records what's on screen. Now you're ready for the first capture method. Choose quickly between hardware buttons, gesture, or quick settings depending on what's fastest for you. You can capture instantly by pressing power and volume down together for about 1 second. This works reliably when buttons respond. Alternatively, enable and use 3-finger swipe in settings. It's faster for one-handed use and avoids button wear. When the screen flashes or shows an animation, tap the preview to crop, annotate, or share. Doing this immediately saves time. Make sure to practice both methods to know which one matches your speed and comfort. Once captured, open your gallery and go to the Screenshots album to review and edit. You can crop, blur sensitive info, or add text before sharing. If you prefer saving to cloud, enable auto backup in Photos so screenshots sync across devices. If a capture fails, make sure gestures are enabled or try the button combo again. Rebooting the phone or checking for a stuck button typically resolves hardware issues. If persistent, clear cache or update system's software to restore functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.